light showing. But unfortunately, the surface here is so
No grip,
slippery,
yeah.
you can't really use it.
I see you guys drifting.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But, and very slowly drifting because there's no grip at all. On the real racetracks, you would be blown away the grip that it develops.
Have
It's
you had it
pretty
on the
awesome.
racetrack?
Yeah, that was the first time I drove. It was on a racetrack, and I fell in love with it immediately.
Which track were you at?
It was actually a track in south of Portugal.
Okay.
It was absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's cool. So you have two electric motors, one in front, so it's all-wheel drive, and you have 512 pound-feet of instant torque. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, when you have grip, you can really feel it. Okay, here we go.
That's really smooth.
Do a little reversing here. See, I love it. It's so quiet.
Mm-hmm.
And here we kind of just
Slide,
slip and slide
yeah.
a little bit.
Man, you got a fun job here, man. I would love to do this.
We have the little bridge here, our little roller coaster. Woo!
Man, you can't even see where you're going. That thing's narrow too. And across the line.
Really fun.